What's up, beautiful people? So there's a problem with meetings and AI note takers. The problem is that we're using them wrong. I had this epiphany with my team this week and realized that we can make our recurring meetings so much shorter using this quick system with Granola and Claude. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When you walk out of this video, you're going to have a foolproof set of prompts that you can use with Claude or Codex and Granola to make your recurring meetings shorter. Okay, so let's get this going. If you look at my screen, this is the Granola app. I have it installed on Mac. You can get it for free. In fact, we pay for it, but before I joined the rundown, I used Granola for free for everything, and I never ran out of free tokens, so it's a good deal. And it'll do that thing where whenever you have a meeting coming up on your calendar, it'll pop up and you click, okay, open new note. If you're in an impromptu meeting, quick note, and it'll start listening to your microphone and your computer. It doesn't sit in on the call, which I like, so that's another plus of Granola. And then it auto summarizes everything, and you can talk to it like you can most AI meeting notes. But the cool thing is that there's a Claude connector now. So if you go into Claude and go to customize, go to connectors, plus, then browse connectors, we can search for Granola here. We're gonna click on it. I already clicked connect, but essentially you're just gonna log in with Granola and it'll be super easy. And this will give Claude the ability to search for notes, list meetings, and get those meeting transcripts, which are the important part. So I've got this recurring meeting with my team where we plan out our next week's slate of content. So to audit this, I'm going to start a new chat in Claude. I'm going to make sure Granola is enabled here, and I'm going to say something along these lines. Look at my 5 most recent weekly slate meetings and audit them so that we can make these meetings more efficient and shorter. Look out for repeated status updates, delayed decisions, unresolved topics, repetitive questions, any other friction points, and then give me a report on what we can improve and what we should be doing before the meeting, and ideally a list of things that we could use AI to help automate or do faster before the meeting. Okay, I know that was a lot, but basically you'll need a prompt like this. This will be in the written guide on the Rundown University. I always encourage you to just talk your prompt through with Claude. Okay, so it's found that recurring meeting. You can see it's using the Granola MCP. Something that would probably make this easier is it's a good idea to make a space in Granola. So I could say weekly slate, weekly content slate meetings. And if you add in some of those, Granola will start to automatically put those notes and organize them for you. Okay, this was actually so useful, guys. You please do this on one recurring meeting. Basically, it identified all the work we were doing during the meeting that should be done before and changing the meeting to be more decision-based versus work-based. It found repeated status updates that we didn't need to talk about. And the best part is it suggested an idea for a pre-meeting brief that we can circulate that's 1 page, as well as some really good AI automations that I didn't even think of on how we can automate a lot of the pre-work, because Claude has access to a lot of my other connectors and places that I work, like Google Docs and Notion and Gmail and Slack. It knows about this stuff. So pulling from Granola, it can find out how to make these meetings more efficient. And then it even gives a suggested meeting format right here. So I'm going to say, okay, give me a sample formatted version of the pre-read document, then give me a template that I can put into Granola to make these notes more useful to look back on in the future. And then finally, give me a short memo on how we can automate the pre-read for the meeting and how we can get it to show up in our Google Calendar and Notion every week. Okay, so that's the main workflow. You want to audit it, and then you want to get some sort of like meeting notes template or, pre-read memo. And then the cool thing that I'm having it generate is a template in for Granola. And so if you go in here, you can create your own template with specific section titles in like meeting context. So like I might make this slate and decide next week's Rundown University guide content slate, final slate, action items, things to improve. And we can click apply here and it will rebuild those notes. So cool. And Claude made a pretty similar template for me here. It gave me that pre-read sample document and then gave me an idea of some co-work tasks that I can schedule to do this. Oh, this is so cool, guys. This is going to save me and my team so much time and make this meeting go so much smoother. Definitely give this a shot. As always, I'm Billy from the Rundown University. Stay frosty and peace.